How to create a rating system in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you create a 5-star rating on Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. We have project name in column A, and in column B, I want to write 1 to 5 as the rating. So if it's 5-star, I will be writing here 5, and if it's 2-star, I'll be writing here 2. This way, I'm going to write 1 to 5 in column B, and I want star system based on that number. So if it's 3-star here we want to write 3-star in symbol. Okay, we are not going to use any VBA. We are going to use symbol, we are going to use function, and we are going to use conditional formatting, and we also use data validation. First thing, we need to understand what is the symbol we want to get. So for that, I'm going to click on the insert, and from the symbol I'm going to click on this drop down that will give me the font option, and I'm going to scroll down and select Windings, and here if I scroll down we have star here. If I click here, you can see character code is 171. Okay, font name Windings, character code 171. You need to remember that. That's it. You don't need to insert it. Just find the symbol you want to paste. Okay, then select the font from where you want to copy the text, and then just learn the character code. Here the character code is 171. I'm going to close it. That's it. Now here let's write here 1, and now let's write a formula here. Write the repeat function. Okay, so I'm going to write RE, and here we have the repeat function. If I double click here, repeat function usually repeat a text string. Okay, so our text will be, now I'm going to write the character function CHAR, CHAR, and here it will be our character function, and here if I write 171 and close parenthesis, so this is the text. Okay, remember the symbol we wanted to copy, that would be our text, and you can call a symbol inside any formula using the character function, which is CHAR, and here is the character code, which is 171. Okay, now I want to repeat this character, which is our star. How many times? I'm going to add comma, and the second parameter is number of times. The number of times will be selected from this cell. Okay, if I close parenthesis and press enter, we have a symbol. Let's not think about it. Just write here 2, and you can see we have the symbol twice. That means our formula is working. Now remember, when we have selected the character, that was in Windings font. So I'm going to select the entire column, and from the font drop down under the home tab, I'm going to select that specific font, which is Windings. Okay, I'm going to select this, and here we have our star. So if we select the exact font we have selected in our symbol, and if we call the character using the character function and use the repeat function, we'll have our star. Okay, now if I write here 3, we will have 3-star. Let's drag this formula until this. Now if I write in this cell 4, we will have our symbol, but we want the star symbol up to 5. So here I don't want anyone writing minus or 6 or anything else except 1 to 5. So I'm going to select the entire column B, click on the data tab, click on data validation, click here again, and here allow, I'm going to select whole number and data between. Minimum number is 1 and maximum is 5. If I click OK, it's done. Now if I try to write here 6, we have an error. I cannot write that. Okay, but if I cancel it and if I write here 4, I can write it. Okay, so we cannot write anything below 1 and above 5. Okay, now here in the rating system, if you want, you can specify the color. Okay, so for that I'm going to select the enter range again, where we might have our stars, and now I'm going to click on home tab and click on conditional formatting and click on new rule. Okay, now I'm going to select 3 rules here. Okay, if I have 1-star and 2-star, I want it to be red. If it has 3-star, I want it to be yellow, and if it has 4 and 5-star, I want it to be in green. Okay, so use a formula to determine which cell to format. I'm going to write here equal to, then first I'm going to write here OR function, within parenthesis I'm going to select B2, but I want to remove this $sign because I don't want to fix it. I can fix the column, which is all right. Equal to 1, then comma, B2. Again, remove the dollar sign from the row number, equal to 2. Okay. If any of it is true, it should format the font color to red. Okay. And if I click OK and write here 2, it's in red. If I click here 1, it's in red, and you can see the star system is working. So if I write anywhere in this column, which is column B, 1 or 2, it should be in red. Okay. Now select again the entire range we have selected for the first rule, and then click on Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use formula to determine which cell to format. Again, we are going to use the OR function because we are color coding the 4th and 5th star. Okay, so equal to OR within parentheses, start with B2, remove the dollar sign before the row number, then write here equal to 4, add a comma, select B2 again, remove the dollar sign before the row number, equal to 5, close parentheses. So now I want the 4 star and 5 star to be in green. Format, change the font color from here to green. Okay, if I click OK, it should work. And the last thing we should format is the 3-star rating, which I want in yellow. So selection is already made from the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use formula to determine which cell to format. Right here equal to, then directly B2. We don't need any OR function here because we have only one condition. If B2 equal to 3, then our format should be change the font color to yellow. And if I click OK, OK again, and now we have our 5-star rating system with data validation and conditional formatting, or you can say color coding. So if I write here 6, it shouldn't work. If I write here 5, it's in green. If I write here 4, it's in green. If I write here 3, it's in yellow. If I write here 2, it's in red. If I write here 1, it's in red. So this is how you can create your own 5-star rating system in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.